Hello, my name is Jeff and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website to view our current inventory. Today we have a 2012 Volvo S60. It's a black metallic with black leather interior. This is a T5 5-cylinder turbo, so it has excellent power and very sporty driving. It's a sport 5-spoke wheels. Body's in excellent condition. It's not dinged or scratched at all. Power seats on both sides, and they are heated. Power moonroof, rain sensing wipers. Has an automatic climate control. Let's start it up. Has a navigation screen. Premium sound system. It's a backup camera. And it also has parking sensors. There's a compass in the mirror. Steering wheel controls. There's the navigation. Naturally, it has Bluetooth. Here's a look at the back seat. Plenty of room. The rear seats fold down. They pass through to the trunk. Dual exhaust. Nicely detailed. Power seat on this side. Runs and drives excellent, well maintained. Very good value and very long-lasting Volvo with a great reputation for durability. Thank you for looking in, and please give us a call. We'd love to tell you more about this vehicle.